Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a brand new video of Roblox. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out of Roblox on all devices. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, you'll have to log in into your account. So then open up your web browser. Once you open up your web browser, on the search box type in www.roblox.com, and you can also find a link on the description box below. And also make sure to log in into your account. Once you're logged into your account, next you'll be directed to the profile page or the official site, and in the top right corner of your screen there is the gear icon. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, from the drop down menu tap on settings menu. Once you're on the settings page, you can see under my settings there are a list of options. So then in the top left corner you can see security. Just tap on it. Once you tap on security, on the other side you have two-step verification. Scroll down right to the bottom and there is an option as sign out of all other sessions. So then tap on sign out, which is right in the corner. You can see there is an update as you've been signed out of all other sessions, which means that you're signed out of all devices that you were currently logged in. Now that is how you can sign out of Roblox on all devices. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.